Welcome to the setup of U7 Pro Shrink Fit machine. Please have above items ready to start the setup process. First, connect the power cord to the machine. Then, twist the threaded knob to secure it firmly. Ensure you have a 220-volt power source available, or use a voltage converter to adjust your current voltage to 220 volts. Next, connect the air hose line from the air compressor to the Shrink Fit machine. If your machine is equipped with a QR code scanner, connect it to the machine using the VGA port. Finally, turn on the machine by flipping the blue switch located on the back.